Example number 5, cinco. Example number 5, algebra 9-1. Here, we have an exponent. We have a binomial being raised to the third power. Well, when in doubt, you always want to expand it out. Woot woot. So to expand that out, if that's being raised to the third power, that entire 2x minus 3 is the base. So that whole piece is the piece that's getting written 3 times, keeping those parentheses intact to represent that multiplication. So here we actually have a binomial times a binomial times a binomial. That's not bion. Binomial times a binomial. binomial times, oh geez Louise, oh don't look at that, oh boy, oh don't tell anybody, times a binomial. There we go. Which is going to end up you doing, again, double distribution, but you're going to have to do it like twice. T-E-S-T-I-B-U-T-I-O-N, but you're going to have to do it like times 2. Okay, so let's work through this. This gets a little cray. All right, so first off, I can only multiply 2 numbers at a time. If I look at a simple example of 2 times 6 times 3, I'm not multiplying 2 times 6 and then 2 times 3. I'm multiplying 2 times 6 first to get 12, then multiplying by 3. So I'm going to do that same thing here. I'm going to multiply the first 2 binomials together, then I will deal with that third one afterwards. Oh, geez. Oh, geez Louise. Oh, my computer is dying. That's what. Okay. Anywho. All right, so 2x times 2x, we have the 2 times the 2 giving us 4, the x times x for that good old x squared. And 2x times a negative 3 is a negative 6x. Another negative 6x in the middle, making sense because they're exactly the same. And then a negative 3 times a negative 3 is a positive 9. Carrying down those parentheses and my other binomial that I haven't quite multiplied. I am going to make myself have a little bit easier of a time here by combining these like terms and turning that into a negative 12x plus 9. That way I only have 3 terms to deal with in that first set of parentheses rather than 4. All right, here. So now we basically are double distributing again, but this time we have 3 pieces going into 2 pieces. So I need to take that 4x squared and multiply it by the 2x to get a 8x cubed, x squared times x, and then 4x squared times the negative 3 to get a negative 12x squared. The negative 12x is coming up next. Negative 12 times negative 2 is negative 24. X times x is that x squared. Negative 12 times negative 3 is a positive 12 times 3 is 36x. And then last but not least, the 9 times the 2x for a positive 18x. And the 9 times the negative 3 for negative 27. And one last step to just combine some like terms there. My no other x cubed, so 8x cubed stays there. Negative 24 and 12 together turn into negative 36x squared. 36 plus 18. Oh my god, I'm doing so much math. I don't need to do this in my head. Do math all day. Complain. I will complain about it. 36 plus 18 giving us that 54x and minus the 27. For our final answer, in simplest standard form, exponents are ordered, no like terms. We're good.